Today I'm going to show Miss Lady over here 5 mouth-watering recipes using these proteins right in front of us. Restaurant quality meals that you can make right at home in probably under 30 to 45 minutes, Achsah, promise.
Well, let's see if it could really happen, because I am no chef and I'm always looking for easy, quick meals, affordable, convenient, you name it, that's what I'm looking for. So I'm putting you to the test.
Yeah, don't worry, after today,
Yes.
you can take over.
All right.
Yeah.
I am really excited about this because my thing with healthy foods is that it's either that it don't taste good or it takes too much energy. So
Yeah.
we're going to make tasty, healthy, easy, quick meals. Yeah, sign me up. Let's do it.
Massy Stores helping us out today, so we're getting quality proteins and quite frankly, everything we're showing you how to make today, you can get in Massy Stores.
Perfect.
Very
One-stop
easy,
shop.
quick, yeah, full of flavor.
Amen.
Right, so Achsah, here we have our honey and garlic glazed salmon with some roasted veggies. Look at
So
it.
here's the thing, guys. I tested Shaun. I said I do not like eating salmon often because I find people cook it and I still taste that freshness. And he challenged me. He said, I have the recipe. He said, I'm going to enjoy the salmon. So he puts in Shaun to the test here. Let's see.
Well, dive in and let me talk about it.
All right.
So of course, first you want to wash your salmon, yes? So with any type of acid helps, vinegar or preferably lemon or lime juice. And then also the glaze helps to cut the freshness. The ginger cuts the freshness, the garlic,
I think you passed.
the soy sauce, the honey even helps to cut some of the freshness. And this is extremely easy because you hear the ingredients are called ginger, garlic, honey, soy sauce, salt, black pepper. That's the glaze. That's it.
That's so easy.
Once you wash your
simple.
salmon, you just let it marinate for a few, probably 2 hours, even 30 minutes. And then after that, salt, black pepper, some olive oil on your broccoli or carrots. Put everything in a pan, throw it in the oven. 12 minutes later, here you go.
Wow.
Can't be done. Look
So
at
easy.
It.
I could do it.
Yeah.
Clearly.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm not even listening to Shaun anymore. I'm just eating the salmon.
Yeah, and the beauty with Massy too, this is already pre-portioned, Achsah. So you just walk in, grab it for yourself, and you don't need to cut no salmon, you don't need to fillet, you don't need to gut no.
I love that. Because I like simple meals, especially
Really
with my,
junky.
yeah, because I'm going to eat all. With my lifestyle, I need things that are quick and easy. And y'all know I'm all about health. So, salmon is so good for you. I've always just been intimidated by it because I'm telling you, every time I cook it or someone cooks it for me, this fresh fish taste that I can't take. But this, well, you're going to see, and I'm like devouring it. So.
You try the veggies?
Yeah, the carrots are great. I need to try the broccoli.
You're a fan of broccoli?
I love broccoli.
The veggies is up to you. It doesn't need to be broccoli, but cauliflower.
No, this is perfect. This is
Whatever
like,
you want.
I'm going home to make this today. Shaun, you tell me I'm learning easy, simple recipes. This chicken, I seeing string and this not looking easy.
What you seeing?
You lied to me. Whatever this is, rope, string, something around the chicken.
What else you seeing?
It's stuffed with something. I'm also seeing, but I'm really concerned about the fact that this looks very fancy and gourmet. I cannot do this. What's
Too hard.
happening?
Too much work for you.
Yeah.
Well, Massy doing this for you. I didn't do this, you know.
Oh, for
Massy
real?
did this, yeah. All I did was cook it.
Great.
All I did. So you could walk into Massy and pick up this stuffed chicken breast, stuffed with spinach, cheese, seasoned, wrapped,
Wow.
tied, everything for you. So you just need to sear this on all sides for let's say like 1 to 2 minutes, high heat, and then throw it straight in the oven for like 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken breast.
Okay, see why you should hush your mouth and don't assume things? Okay. I feel a lot better now.
But since you want to open your mouth, I'm going to put it to work. So here what I need you to do. So just take the hard end of the lettuce and just tear it off. You don't have to, but it helps with the rolling because we're making a wrap.
Ooh.
And while you're doing that, I am going to slice this bad boy. So as I said, Massy, meet you halfway, sear, throw it in the oven, grab some lettuce one time when you pick up the chicken breast. And
We good
just
here
show
like
right-
this?
Oh yeah, we are great. You
Perfect.
just show right the inside so you see the spinach,
Ooh.
cheese.
It's perfectly cooked.
Yeah, let me go in, go straight in. All right, and you could just, well, you could hold it like a taco if you want to roll, whatever you want to do. Grab all the lettuce, grab all.
Oh, both?
Yeah,
Okay.
all.
No,
Too much?
disaster waiting.
Well, you say you like to eat then? Come to eat. And
Okay.
yeah, so you have a wrap, you have a taco, whatever you want to call it.
How graceful I could do this.
This could be breakfast, dinner, a snack.
Oh, wow. That chicken is like
Yeah? How we looking?
perfect.
Yeah?
Mmm. This is so
How it
good.
tasting? Good seasoning?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
No, this is so good. It's like perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned.
Can't go wrong.
And so light too.
Can't go wrong. You're in a hurry. You want something quick. And look at how much. This is what?
You
Like
got a lot.
15 of your meals?
I know, I'm telling you, like, this feeding me for a week.
Let me taste this by itself. Yeah, man. You can't go wrong. So fancy food at home. Come
No
try it
way.
by itself. Let me try without lettuces. Take from the center so we make sure it's fully cooked. Here you go. It's good.
Oh, yes.
Full of moisture. Yeah.
The stuffed part, 10 out of 10.
Can't go
I'm
wrong.
getting this in Massy.
Yeah. So you can make this at home. So now you can show off on people.
I'm telling
You
you,
can show
I
off
made
on
it
people.
myself.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I can't wink you all, but.
So apart from learning what good food is tastes like, what else you learned today?
I learned that you season as you go, especially with
Very
like
good.
meats and steaks and stuff like that.
Very good.
Went
Let's
to
go.
school today.
Come, let's go. Let's dive in. I'm gonna dive in before you dive in.
Yes, because you know once I start, that's it, all the food is gone.
You know, Trinis like to overcook the steak, but still leave it a little, you know, so we still see a little ping going
And
on
it's
in there.
perfect. Oh yeah, that is a good piece of steak. This looks like the perfect after gym meal actually. Protein, healthy carbs,
And it's easy.
and it's easy.
Just boiling the sweet potato, some coconut cream, salt, black pepper, that's it, mash. Well, and we showed you how to marinate the steak, 3 to 4 minutes on either side, depending on the size. Of course, you have to let it sit, and then time to eat.
No,
Simple
this
meal.
steak is cooked to perfection. Nice and crispy on the outside,
Oh yeah, you have to have that crust.
but the inside is like moist. I feel like a food critic right now.
The fat cap is on the outside, so if you're not into that, you could just cut that off. You know, keep it a little leaner. If you're into it, of course, you know, you let it render, so it melts in your mouth.
I love how, like, that hint of sweetness in the sweet potato mash too.
What do you think about the coconut cream?
I like it.
Yeah?
I really, really like it.
Yeah, you're not missing the regular milk, right?
No, at all. It's perfect. Like, this is...
Right, Achsah. So here we have our spiced pork loin power bowl. So, you know, for girls who into fitness
Fancy.
like you, you're getting everything here. You have your black
Spiced
beans.
pork loin power bowl. You hear that?
Yeah. So we have a lot of earthy spices, allspice, some cinnamon, cumin or jeera as we call it here locally, some coconut oil, salt, black pepper. Give that a good massage.
Alright, it's talking too much. Time to taste.
Then you just quickly sear it in your frying pan. And dive in, oh God, give it. You have no patience.
No,
You
none.
didn't even like with drizzly little lime juice,
Nope.
nothing.
Tasting it. Oh my God. You got this in Massy Stores.
Yep. Yeah, and the best part about the pork in particular is just as many of the other proteins, it's vacuum sealed to maintain freshness. You're not going to get any freezer burn. You know, sometimes you're buying a package and you're seeing ice on it. Nah, you ain't going to get none of that. It's going to retain
that.
or help to retain a lot of its moisture. Oh, I forgot the brown rice at the bottom.
Every time I see you, I just come in for my belly. That's it.
Stop invite you over, girl. And you
Never.
don't bring nothing from a girl.
Don't worry. We're going to fix
Come
that
on,
because I'm going to be a
swinging.
chef. That is a power bowl.
His avocado pick right outside.
You can always taste these avocados pick fresh. No, this is great. I'm just gonna stay here. You can continue talking. I'm
easy.
just gonna eat.
So yeah, so the rice, quick boil, salt, pepper, whatever you want to flavor it with. I just added some of my fermented pimento sauce, but you could season that however you like.
But what I would say is, you always get me to eat things that I don't usually eat. I'm not a huge pork eater, and here I am, yamming this down.
Good. That's what we like to hear.
Okay, are you gonna join me? Because
Oh, you want me going nuts?
Okay.
Go you
thank
dig up that food.
Thank you.
Right, so here we have our citrus herb pan-seared ribeye steak with simple quinoa salad. So similar to the brown rice, you could flavor the quinoa however you want. It's neutral, it takes on flavors really well. So I just went in with some salt, black pepper, and some of the fermented pimento sauce, because you know we here in Trinidad, so
Yes.
it must have pimento or shot of any in it.
Correct.
And yeah, the steak is so a lot of citrus notes, you know, lemon juice, orange zest, some garlic powder, salt, black pepper, let that marinate. Pan say high heat, you know, it gives you that crust.
Right.
And yeah, simple. Few minutes on either side, let it rest, slice, time to eat.
I'm actually going to start with the quinoa because I'm not the biggest quinoa fan, but Shaun always makes food that I want to eat. So I'm going to try this first.
I'm surprised you waited for me to, you know, finish everything else.
I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
Yeah, manners.
No, this? Okay, I see what you mean. How it absorbs the flavor. It's really good. Let me try this steak.
So yeah, it does not need to be bland. A lot of people don't go, you know, just because they say to keep it bland, they don't keep it bland. God, spice it up.
This is the flavors together.
Yeah.
And a little touch of citrus. Perfect.
Yeah, it's just at the end. Just to brighten up.
I really like it. And you said I can make this in under 30 minutes.
You can make this in 30 minutes. Quinoa is like 10 to 12 minutes. Steak from start to finish, probably 25 minutes. Easy.
They marry so well together. It's such a lovely flavor profile.
I think the overall theme for this is fresh. You get a lot of, and in a good way.
That's the perfect word to describe it. Fresh.
Yeah. Yeah. How they do their packaging too helps to retain a lot of the moisture, the natural flavors in the steak. So of course that helps. Start off with good ingredients. Half the job is done, and you just have to finish.
This is, it's light. I think that's what I like about it. It's very light,
Yeah.
but all the flavors there. And it's healthy.
Yeah. Not too
Can't go wrong.
intimidating.
No, I can definitely try this. I don't know if it'll taste just as good as yours,
Yeah.
but
It'll probably taste better.
well, don't gas me up too much.
So what, tomorrow, what time to come over? So,
I'll get back to you now.